a matter of fact that in 1987 I was a public prosecutor in that office. I resigned many years later. I returned as the DPP in 2003 to 2005. And I left. And more recently, I was appointed. I normally carry the bundle around with me. I was appointed a public prosecutor by Gazette notice dated 16th January 2019. Gazette notice number 350. The date of the Gazette notice is 16th January 2019. After wasting, I did provide an undertaking to the DPP that I will not act against them directly or indirectly as long as I was a public prosecutor. And after wasting 2 months of my professional life, no work was given to me, and I found the professional opportunity cost too high to bear. And on 7th of March 2019, I resigned as a public prosecutor in a letter dated 16th January 2019. Sorry. The other one. It is 7th March 2019. Yeah. And I resigned, and I gave my reasons, which, out of respect to Nordin Haji, my professional colleague, I will not read the contents of that letter of resignation. But I told him exactly why I found working for that office on their terms impossible. So, my learned friend says I am both a prosecutor and defense counsel. Nothing could be further from the truth. If he had asked me, I would have availed to him documents to show that I have resigned, and I would have pointed out to him that the revocation of a Gazette notice is of no consequence. It is at my option. When I resign, or a person resigns, that is the end of that appointment. To suggest that that appointment will depend on Mr. Haji revoking his Gazette notice would be to subject me to slavery and servitude, meaning I am then bonded, bound to work for the DPP and nobody else. Mr. Nordin Haji is a gentleman. It is not his position that has been taken in this court. I probably do not blame Mr. Mbeta because he did not know better. He is entitled to ask the question, but he should have asked me first. But whatever the case, just like in the first application, Mr. Mbeta should have filed a formal application challenging my capacity to appear in these matters as a defense counsel, so that I would respond in writing. I mean, by way of affidavit. It is a further fact that they are all aware of that I even attend to the DPP's office in other matters as a defense counsel. More recently, in the Kimwarer and Aurora Dam case, where I have been to that office to pick up defense counsel material, 42 volumes of material. And they happily handed me those cartons and cartons of documents without telling me, but you're a prosecutor. So this is all a distraction, a waste of time, and an abuse of process. But on the issue of contempt, I want to go back. So I would request that the court orders my learned friend to file a formal application, that is Mr. Umbeta, and respond. That can be handled today, tomorrow. But neither issue should affect the issue of taking a plea or dealing with the bail application that we have filed.